Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. As promised, here's the RAWRR. I'm here with Travis and David. We're doing an unboxing video right here. Let's see what's happening on the top. We have not seen one of these in person yet. We're going off of faith on this baby. The word on the street, next level stuff right here. Very nice, very nice. It is definitely much bigger than a Sur-Ron or a Talaria. Just looking at it right here in the...
Let's grab this thing.
In the box.
Let me grab this thing.
Front wheel's gonna be in that other box. Go ahead and grab your stand, or hang on. Let's take a look here. I'm gonna give him a 10 for packaging, that's for sure. It's gonna take you a minute to get into it.
Has that got a bolt to the front end there?
Probably. So we do have black and silver in stock. We've got one of each right here to go over with you today. If you own a RAWRR, let me know. Let me know what you think. This is the Mantis. The specs are what really brought us to this bike, so we'll see if they're really as good as they say they are, and if the specs match up. We do carry Sur-Ron as well as Talaria here at Big Pine. We'll get them put together.
Kitchen table.
Yeah.
Free kitchen table. Yeah.
We'll get this one put together. We'll open up the silver one as well and bring you guys along for the adventure. Stay tuned.
Right there they are. Check this out.
There's your instruction manual. Very nice. Let's do it.